It's Hump Day in the Caribbean.
Hi, I'm Christina and I own Cruis'n with Chrissy Dream Vacations. So my passion for travel is what inspired me to become a travel advisor and start my own travel agency. So whether you're planning a destination wedding, your honeymoon, anniversary trip, or your dream vacation, I want to be there to help assist you in taking the stress out of planning your journey. Because it's not just the destination, it is the journey that you need to enjoy. So stick around. I'm going to tell you some tips and tricks of travel, give you the best travel deals, perks, and take you along on some of my travels. So if you're ready to start traveling and explore, whether it's by cruise, by land, international, domestic, let me help you. All right, happy travels. We're passing by the Coral Lighthouse.
Do what you hate so that you can do what you love.
Right now, our home away from home MSC Mirabilia.
So we got one more day at sea.